Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new product to your Shopify website. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Shopify account. So I'm logged into a client's Shopify, GB Electronics, and you're going to see when you log in just the entire dashboard. It looks like this. Welcome to Shopify. And it's going to say add products, customize theme. So yes, there's many ways to get to this screen. You could just press add products, but these are always going to be here. This section might change sometimes. So we're going to go to the products tab right here. And this is where you're going to see all your products that you currently have. And then you're going to click on the add product tab. So I'm just going to run through adding a product right now. So I'm going to take a product from the customer's Facebook shop that I haven't added yet. So this is the Dell Latitude 10. So it's a laptop. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to copy and paste this title and add it as the title here. Then we're going to add the description. So here's the description. Copy and paste that. Add that there. We're just going to run down this. So now the images. So to pull the images, we're going to have to open it up, save the image. I'm going to actually save it as Dell laptop. Save it on downloads, save, and then we have image number 2. Save it as Dell laptop 2. So I think we only have, we have 3 images. Let's see, this is Dell laptop 3. Just so that when I open up my downloads, they're all in order. And let's go back to here, and we're going to upload the images we just saved. So going into downloads, look for Dell. So we have Dell laptop 2, 3, and the regular. We're going to upload all 3 of those. And then to figure out which one's going to be the first, second, and third, you can just drag them. So I'm going to drag them. That's going to be the main image. I'll make this the second image and not the last. Now we're going to add the price. So it's the price right here, $199. You don't need to add this. This is if you wanted to compare the price and have like that slash symbol, but we don't need that. Charge taxes on this product. Yep, we checked that, and it's going to automatically produce taxes based on the location, and then the quantity. That's very important. So there's only quantity 6 available. And you see that right here. So we're going to add 6. This is a physical product. We're going to overlook the weight and all of this, the country of origin. These things will be specific to your country, so you can fill that in when you have the time or according to your country. And then what's very important over here is the product type. So this is a laptop. We're going to add, let's put laptops. We're going to add the product type laptops, and then the vendor is going to be this actual company. And in collections, we don't really have to add it to a collection or tags. So those are just the main areas you have to focus on when adding a new product. The title, description, images, pricing, quantity, and this section, product type and vendor. So, and we click save, and now the product is added. We can view it, and this is how it looks on the website. So this is how you add a product to your Shopify website. So yeah, once again, my name is Janelle McClarty from EncoreWebsites.com. I provide website design, marketing, and consulting services, and I share YouTube videos, how-to YouTube videos like these every week. So feel free to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and let me know what other types of videos you like to see. All right, thanks. Bye.